Hi, welcome to Make It Bake It. Today we are making a creamy vegan Alfredo sauce. So let's get cooking. For this simple recipe, we're starting out at the stove. Look in the description to find a link to the full recipe on our website. Begin by sauteing your onions until they have softened. Next, add the Italian seasoning, red pepper flakes, and nutmeg to the pan. Continue cooking for about 30 seconds longer. Take the onion mixture off the heat. Next, in a blender, add soaked cashews, veggie stock, miso paste, and nutritional yeast, and then finally the onion mixture from earlier. Blend the mixture together into a creamy texture. Add your pasta to a bowl, mix in the Alfredo sauce, and voila! We recommend garnishing with minced kale. Thanks so much for watching our show today. We really hope you enjoyed it and that you make this Alfredo sauce in the future sometime. If you do, leave us a comment and let us know what you think of it. And in general, if you like the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, ciao!